In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a text box with color using Canva. This easy to follow guide is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their design skills or give their visuals a bit more flair. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just getting started, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. First, begin by heading over to canva.com. Once there, log in using your credentials. If you haven't yet signed up, you can do so easily using either your Google account, Facebook, or a traditional email address. Once you're logged in, it's time to select the project you want to work with. This could be an existing project or a new one, whatever suits your needs. Now let's dive into adding some text. Click to add your desired text to the design. This could be anything from a title to a simple label, depending on your project. With your text in place, the next step is to create a shape to serve as your text box's background. Head over to the Elements tab, and from there select Shapes. You'll be presented with various options, but a rectangle is a solid choice for most text boxes. Once you've chosen your shape, you'll need to adjust its size and position so that it sits perfectly behind your text. Click and drag the shape to do this, ensuring that it covers the entirety of your text to achieve that text box effect. It's important that the shape frames the text nicely, so take your time to refine the positioning. The next step is injecting some color into that shape. Select your shape and then use the color palette that appears to pick a background color. Make sure to select a color that complements your overall design and suits the text to maintain good contrast and readability. Optionally, you might want to tweak the text color itself. Simply click on your text and in the text toolbar, choose a color that ensures your text stands out against the colored background you've selected. Play around with different shades until you find a combination that pops. Here's an alternative method for adding a background directly to your text using Canva's text effects. First, choose your text by clicking on it. In the toolbar, you'll notice an effects option. Go ahead and click that. Scroll down until you find the background option and select it. Finally, you get to customize how the background appears. Canva lets you adjust the roundness, spread, and color, so feel free to experiment until you find the ideal look. This method is particularly useful for achieving a polished, integrated appearance with ease. And there you have it. You're now equipped with techniques to add color to your text box, bringing more focus and professionalism to your designs. Happy designing, and look forward to seeing your creative expressions come to life.